What's up friends, Amar here, and today I have something exciting for you, the Honest 9 to 5 Escape Plan. So what is the Honest Escape Plan? It's a digital training and action guide designed to help you discover your first or next online income stream, build it step by step without tech overwhelm, avoid the scams and hype that waste your time, and finally start making money online for real. It's clear, no fluff, beginner friendly, and actually honest. And why it is different. What I love about this plan is how simple and realistic it is. You are not being promised 10K overnight. Instead, it shows you how to build something solid and scalable. It walks you through proven side hustle paths like digital products, affiliate marketing, freelancing, AI-powered businesses, and so on, and shows you how to choose the one that actually fits you exactly. So what you will learn: the 3-phase escape framework, your roadmap from stuck to self-employed, how to find a side hustle that actually fits your personality and goals, simple, practical steps to build your online income stream even with zero experience, productivity hacks to stay focused even if you've got a full-time job, how to get your first customer or dollar online the honest way. It's like a blueprint for freedom, and it's laid out in a way that is fun, motivating, and easy to follow. Since going through the Honest Escape Plan, I've made some real changes in how I approach my online business. I stopped chasing shiny objects and started focusing on one clear path, and that made a huge difference. If you've been stuck in research mode or analysis paralysis, this plan is going to cut through the noise and get you moving. So who is this for? This is perfect for 9 to 5 workers who want to build a real side hustle, stay-at-home parents who want flexible income, creatives, freelancers, solopreneurs, anyone who wants freedom, or you know what, total beginners who just want an honest way to start making money online. Whether your goal is 500 a month or 10K a month, this plan gives you the map. So how this will benefit you: you will get instant access to the full Honest Escape Plan ebook, like more than 38 pages of pure gold, 12 action steps and planning worksheets. These are amazing. They take you by the hand, step by step, milestone by milestone, to realize what you want. Done for you mini funnel to build your email list and earn affiliate commissions, and 12-day email follow-up series worth gold, because they will be sent to your future subscribers to educate them, nurture them, and have them buy anything that you are promoting. And also there is a lifetime updates. If anything changes or improves, I will get back to you with a special email that gives you all the upgrades you need to perform your tasks. So if you are serious about making money online and you want something that's actually honest, proven, and fun to follow, I highly recommend checking out the Honest Escape Plan below this video.